is the light which once light with dim. The better you practice, the brighter your flame. Hello everyone, this is Mr. Benjamin. Feel proud to honored to talk about International Yoga Day. The International Yoga Day is a day to celebrate the Indian practice of yoga and to raise awareness about its importance in our lives. As a person who believes in staying fit and healthy, I strongly believe in the benefits of yoga and its impact on our mind, body and soul. Yoga, if practiced regularly, can boost up your energy level, help you maintain a healthy weight and improve your body posture. Practicing yoga activities and meditation can help in enhancing your mental health and overall well-being. International Yoga Day is celebrated with full enthusiasm all across the global. Special programs are organized of students, men, women and other members of the society to spread awareness about the significance and benefits of yoga. Here wishing you all a very happy International Yoga Day. Namaste.
GoldenBee Global, the bee hive of learning.